Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is types of statistical series. We have discussed earlier in our previous topic individual series. Now today we will discuss frequency series. You see, a frequency series or series with frequencies may be of two types. Number one, discrete series or frequency array. Number second is frequency distribution. But before we discuss these two types of series, let's understand the meaning of the following terms. What's frequency? You see, frequency is the number of times an item occurs in the series. In other words, the number of times an item repeats itself in the population is called the frequency of that population. For example, in table A, 10 has occurred 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. In table A, 10 has occurred 4 times. This means 4 students have secured 10 marks, or the frequency of 10 is 4. Second is, what's class frequency? You see, the number of times an item repeats itself corresponding to a range of value or class interval. It's called class frequency. For example, there are 4 students securing marks between 10 and 15, 10 to 15, right? For example, there are 4 students securing marks between 10 and 50, 10 to 15. Then 4 is the frequency. Corresponding to the class interval 10 to 15, right? Thus we can say that 4 will be the, here we can say that 4 will be called class frequency, right? Okay. Now, the third concept here is telebars. See, every time an item occurs, a telebar, like this, is marked against that item, and corresponding to a particular class interval, each telebar signifies one occurrence of that item. Two telebars would mean that the concerned item has occurred twice in the series, and after every 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, after every 4 tallies, the fifth tally, like this, the fifth tally will cross out all the previous 4 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth tally will cross out all the previous 4 tallies, thus making the group of 5 here. You can see here, making the group of 5. This method of marking and counting is known as 4 and cross method. Now we will discuss it here. We'll illustrate it. Now we will illustrate it in table 1. If you see in this table 1, it shows that the 4 students obtained 10 marks, like here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 students obtained 10 marks, and 5 students obtained 25 marks. 4 students obtained 30 marks. 2 students obtained 35 marks. 1 student obtained 40 marks, and 1 student obtained 45 marks. You see, all these frequencies have been presented here in table 4 using 4 and cross method. Now this table shows the for and cross method of converting raw data into frequency series. Now data as in table 1 or second, I will show you here. Table 1 or second. You see in these two tables, 1 or second, you can see here in this table, you see in this table, when we convert this data into frequency series using for and cross method, like this data, you can see the frequency of 10 marks is 1 2 3 4. Now when we convert this into frequency series using for and cross method, this table shows that this table 4 shows that this 10 marks frequency is 4, and it's shown in tally bars like this 1 2 3 4. And this 15 marks, its frequency is 5, right? And it's shown in the tally bars like this 1 2 3 4. So we can also say that in this table, to express 8 tally bars, first of all the 4 1 2 3 4 tally bars are marked like this 1 2 3 4, right? And fifth tally bar has been marked across the 4 like this. This sign, the sign this sign signifies that an item occurred 5 times in the series. Likewise, 3 tally bars are further marked like this 1 2 3, and to make it equal to 8, 5 plus 3, that will equal to 8. And this is 1, this is 2, and so on. Now you know these three terms we will discuss. Now first, our discrete series or frequency array. You see, discrete series or frequency array. Discrete series or frequency array is that series in which data are presented in a way that exact measurement of items are clearly shown. In such series, there is no class intervals, and particular item in the series is numbered rather than measured with some rank. For illustration, see, 20 students of class 11th have secured the following marks: 11, 12, 14, 11, 16, 11, 17, 16, 17, 14, 17, 18, 20, 14, 20, 17, 20, 17, 14, 20. Now present the data as a frequency array. You see, now we will get solution. You see, the table 5 presents these data in the form of frequency array. The table shows that 3 students secured 11 marks and 4 students secured 14 marks. Again, 4 students secured 20 marks. Here 4 students secured 20 marks, and the like. As it's clear from the table, in such series the items are arranged in ascending or descending order. So frequencies are noted in front of each item to signify the number of times that the item occurred in the series. In this table, the marks secured are shown in the ascending order, like 11, 12, 14, right? Against these marks are shown their frequencies. That is, the number of students who have secured these marks. Frequency is the number of students who this is the frequency that shows the number of students who have secured these marks. Now, in this discrete series or frequency array, now this is shown as the tally bar of the frequency. Thus, see, 3 is the frequency of 11. It's the frequency for 11. So 3 is written against it. This means 11 is occurring 3 times in the series, or 3 students have secured 11 marks. Likewise, 5 is written against 17. So 5 is the frequency of 17, or 5 students have secured 17 marks. So discrete series presents the data in a very brief form. However, this type of presentation of data becomes difficult when there is large mass of data and large number of small frequencies. In such situation, data ought to be distributed in different classes. But here I have shown these frequencies with these tally bars. 3 is written like this, 1, 2, 3. 1 is written like this, 1 tally bar. This 5 frequency is shown like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th like this. In our next topic we will discuss frequency distribution. Thank you very much.